Today I am present on the platform of Quest Scientific World, and I am from pink category. Today the model which I have selected, that is about human heart. Human heart is basically one of pumping organ. It's made from cardiac muscles, and the weight of human heart is about 280 grams. Human heart, as you know, and you can see in the model, that human heart has 4 blocks. Upper 2 blocks are called atriums. One is a left atrium and other one is right atrium, while lower 2 blocks are called ventricles, left ventricle and right ventricle. In the human heart, 2 specific veins are there, and these 2 veins are playing an important role in human heart. One is superior vena cava and other one is inferior vena cava. The function of superior vena cava is that it carries deoxygenated blood from the upper regions of the body and bring into right atrium, while inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from the lower regions of the body and bring into right atrium. Next we have aorta. Aorta is basically in human heart one of a specific type and the biggest artery in human heart. The function of aorta is that it carries oxygenated blood from left ventricle and divide into all parts of the body. And the basic work and the basic function of aorta is that it's always carry blood, first of all, in short spinal. Next we have pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is one of that artery which carries deoxygenated blood from heart and bring in left ventricle. Next we have pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein is one of that kind of singular vein which carries oxygenated blood from lungs and bring into heart. In the last, I would like to say that human heart, if we talk about one normal human, so the normal human heartbeat is 72 times per minute. And then next we have septa. Septa is basically a wall is there which separates right and left sides of heart. Thank you.